Tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I will learn, says Benjamin Franklin. Hello guys, welcome back to the Crown Traders, and in this video I want you to watch with me and let's dissect something that is very important and can add to your consistent profitability in the Forex market. Also, you can also add this knowledge into other spheres of endeavors that you have. But before we go, there are two categories of people I'd like you to pay attention to. The first set of persons and then the other set of persons, which are very important. Without this, there is no guarantee that you will be consistently profitable over a long period of time, or you may not even have sustainable profitability. Join me as we delve into these categories of persons, shall we? Yes, let's go.
Investors have been if you become investor again, I kill you here.
I'm sorry, sir.
Calm down. Yes. Something has left me. Something left me now. You're telling me.
What the fuck, bro? Growing up. Let's go. Oh, I've got... Growing up. No.
Yo! Ay! Yo! Ay!
Bye! It's a buy! It's a buy! Oh my God! Are you in? Confirm to me in the comment section that you are in. Confirm to me in the comment section that you are in. No risk? No Ferrari. Confirm to me on the comment section that you guys are in. We have 1 minute. It is in 15, 12, 8, 9. No time, guys. We are going crazy. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, I've lost it. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Shit. Oh my goodness. NFP lost day. Fuck. I'm your son. I'm your son. I'm your son. I saw blues in view once. I saw profits in view once. I saw profits in view once. Oh my God. Fuck Forex. Fuck Forex. Fuck. Fuck Forex. Fuck Forex.
I'm going in full market. Yeah, it's a buy, Baba. It's a buy. Check out 3D view. Look at this. Let me set up here. Oh no. Full market. I'm going in. Yeah. I'm going in. Yo, 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 yo.
Are you tired of losing trades, chasing signals, and struggling to find consistency in the Forex market? Hello, welcome. I am Joseph, the Crown Trader with 9 years plus experience in Forex trading. I have mentored students across Africa and the entire globe, helping them trade with clarity, confidence, and profitability. At the Crown Traders Academy, we teach principles, simplicity, and profitability. This is no gimmicks, just real Forex trading education that transforms how you see and trade the market. Our complete mentorship program is valued at $1,000, but for a limited time, we are giving a whopping 80% discount. That means you pay only $200 to secure your spot and lifetime assets with the following condition to have access to our SRA trading model. Do this. Number 1, click on any brokerage link in the description below and register. Number 2, fund your registered account with at least $50. Number 3, send a screenshot of your $200 for your mentorship and your $50 funded in your trading account via WhatsApp to be added to our global mentorship group. Join the Crown Traders Academy today, where we empower traders, transform life, build ethical wealth across Africa and the globe. Register now. Offer ends soon. See you on the other side. Blessings. Out. Did you see that? Did you see the last part of that video? The beauty of it is something that we cannot overemphasize. One of the things I want you to notice is that from the first few videos that were displayed, you will discover that there is something that are missing in it. Three things we are missing. Number one, discipline was not there. Number two, confidence was not there. Number three, they can't replicate that result, so they are not consistent in using that approach they are using to trade. There are two ways for you to be mentored in the financial, or for you to have results, consistent results in the Forex market. Number one of it is trial and error method. Trial and error method is a situation whereby you just pick up any strategy or any approach and then you start applying it. There is nobody, you don't sit down under any formal institutions that teaches you how to go about it. You just place buy, place sell, and try as much as for you to get by it. Just get one or two pips here and there, one or two results here and there, and all that. Just go by whatever you see. Listen, this first approach will do you damage that cannot be recovered in years. It will affect your psychology, it will affect your discipline, it will affect your confidence, it will affect the number, the kind of output of result your life is expected to generate. If I were you, I would avoid it. There are a class of people that are in this number one category. This set of people are the people that feel that they are a self-taught set of people. Nobody can teach them anything. Listen to me. There is nothing like I am self-made. Nobody is self-made. We are all taught by somebody. Miles Monroe of blessed memory said that we're a sum total of who we've learned from, both great and small. So somebody taught you what you are doing right now. Somebody taught you even your name. Somebody taught you your name. That's your parents. All right. So first category of people, avoid being this number one category. Number two category are the people that are mentored under a sequential, constructive system of education that imparts transformation and builds the mind that can be able to affect the profitability that they desire. This set of people are in a solid mentorship program, somebody that is truly interested in their growth process. If you are not in this second category, you are in big trouble, and from now, I can guarantee you, from now to the next 6 years, you will not be in this market again. Yes, you will not be. Now, what mentorship does for you is that it increases your discipline. The last person in that video, you will notice that that last person is calm, is disciplined. No outrageous loss sizing. He knows exactly the time for him to trade. That cannot be gotten by trial and error method. It can only be gotten by accurate experience that a mentor can impart into you. Are you seeing that? The person also had confidence, and if you allow him, he will repeat that same approach again, or that same result again. The reason why we don't have people repeating a particular outcome of result is because they are not properly mentored. Show me your mentor, and I'll tell you what you will become in the next few years from now. If you are not mentored, you will not become a voice in this space. At best, that you can do, you just get scarred, you get scourged, and you will end up in massive losses that you will not be able to recover from. I hope you will not be in the category A. You will be in the second category where you are mentored. If that's your case, say I hear. As you hear, please join our SRA model as advertised in the video. Join the link in the description and get access to life transforming knowledge that will help your discipline, your confidence, your consistency, your profitability over a long period of time. Guess what? See you in the next video as we continue to build through principles, simplicity, and profit. Cheers, guys. Blessings.